or from now on you do this. Instead, try and approach it. Remember we talked about inspiring through language? Try and approach it by trying to inspire her by doing a different community. Maybe there's a sub-community or what I call a micro-community within that school which she can pursue.
How do you get kids out of this circle of influence?
How do you get them out of a circle of influence?
Yeah, that is not like I give her a task every day and I say, you need to go and find a child that no one's playing with and come back and bring me a new name, because I just feel the group of girls that she is with are more, they intimidate the others. And I don't want her to be in
Yeah. It's turning into an episode of Mean Girls.
Yeah. I don't want.
No one wants that.
I've given her a task where I'm like, go and find someone that no one's playing with every day, bring me back a new name, which she does. But I still feel her gravitating back to this group of mean girls.
So the first thing I'd say is you're trying to encourage your child to change her communities. That community is like a safe zone for her, right? So trying to change a child's community, they're like, whatever, no thanks, I'm not gonna do that. I might get bullied in a different community, or I might not be welcomed, or why would I say no to this? You're also saying to her, you should do this, or I want you to do this, or from now on you do this. Instead, try and approach it. Remember we talked about inspiring through language? Try and approach it by trying to inspire her by doing a different community. Maybe there's a sub-community or what I call a micro-community within that school which she can pursue, a certain club or class which she can then try, and then you can start to fabricate kind of environments where she can meet those people after school and do more of that sort of thing. But first of all, you want to try and find out what the positive communities are. What other options you've got? Lay them all out, put 5 down, you'll be able to see decent scores for each, you get a good insight, now you know what to change.